So hello guys, myself is Harshit Kumawat, and in today's video I will tell you how you get admission in GIMS college. But before that I will tell you what are the reason that any student want to join MBA program. So majorly there are two differences. One is that student want to work in any reputed or well-known company, and second thing is that student want to start his or her own business or want to join father business. So many students prefer first of all do MBA, then start their own business, because it is like MBA is very helpful gaining theoretical knowledge and after that applying in your own business. And you might have a different reason of doing MBA, and it is nothing is wrong in that. And now come to our main topic, that how you can get admission in GIMS college. First of all, you need to fulfill criteria. In that criteria there are two things again, and one is that you should have a graduation degree which is approved by AICT. And if you don't know about AICT, then AICT is the main body, or you can say association of all the different universities in India. And if you are pursuing any graduation degree which is approved by AICT and having some certain of percentage. And the second thing is that you need to clear any entrance exam, like CAT, MAT, ETMA, and many more. So like I think you can easily clear any entrance exam if you work on little bit on that. So I cleared ETMA paper last year, and that's why I got the admission in GIMS college. And second thing is that how you can apply in GIMS. First of all, I will mention GIMS link in my description, where you need to click on. If you click on that link, then dashboard will open, and where the admission query is like option will be there. And if you click on that, then that portal will ask you some details, like your your mobile number, your email ID, or your name. After submitting, the admission cell will call you within hours or within a day, that for further GDPI process. And they will ask you that if you are fulfilling your like our criteria or not. And if you fulfilling, then the further GDPI process will held in college. And third thing is that about what are the courses offered by GIMS college. So there are majorly three courses offered by GIMS college in master only. College was also offered in bachelor, but in the like master there are three courses. One is PGDM in marketing with retail, where like GIMS college offer dual specialization. So if you are like I am pursuing marketing with retail. So retail is major and marketing is minor. So in the first year you will study the retail, like you will study the basic subject which comes in retail. And after that, in the second year you have an option. If you want to go retail with finance or marketing, you can choose. You have an option according to your interest, you can choose. Then second option is that PGDM in international business. So international business, like it is same like in that in the first year you will study subject related to international business, and in second year or fourth trimester you can choose marketing or finance, which will be minor subject for you. So like in the college there are trimester system, so you in fourth trimester you can choose your second specialization. And the third course is PGDM in general. So basically you will study in first year the general subject which related to IB or marketing. And in the second year, if whatever the stream or whatever the like whatever the like you will choose, according to that you will study. So majorly three courses offered by college in master. And if you ask extracurricular activity, then there are a lot of department of particular activity, like CRMC, sports club, drama club, singing club. So I give you an example of CRMC department. CRMC department is like is work on a placement related query, like which companies are coming to college for campus hiring, or like related to internship or placement, any thing. And if you want to be a part of a CRMC department, then you have to clear their standardized process, or if you clear their like standardized process, and every department has their own standard procedure. If you clear, then you will be a part of a CRMC member. And if you ask sports club, then I think more all the universities, like all the from all different college or universities, student come to Gyms College in the sector 3, where the all the matches or all the competition will held. And from all the universities or college, student will participate in that activity. So now coming to what are the career opportunities. So many very well known companies come to college, and they will offer a good profile or good designation, like management trainee, assistant manager, sales executive. And there are a lot of good position many companies offered, like HUL, Tommy Hilfiger, Aditya Birla, ITC, Maruti Suzuki. And some insurance companies are there, Deloitte, EY company. So a lot of companies will come to college, but you should have that kind of a skill that company will like in whatever company you want to work. And then come to placement. Then average placement of college is that 4 lakh to 6 lakh per annum. And many companies will come to more than 10 lakh also, and some of our companies come to less than 4 lakh also. So it totally depend upon you, that if you possess the right kind of a skill, then you can easily crack the company process, GDP, like companies process which is offering 10 lakh. But you should also look an different perspective, or like company's point of view, that if companies is offering you any particular amount per month or per annum, that company is also demanding at the same situation, at the same stage or same level, company will demand you particular kind of a skill that you must have. Then only company will take you and train you for your work. So these are the like procedure or the criteria or the about placement. This is all about the Gyms College. And if you still have any inquiry related to Gyms College placement or courses, curriculum or extra curriculum activity, then comment me. I will be very happy to give you information related to college or anything. So this is all about. And if you like the video, then please like the video. And if you are new, then subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you guys.